Hi, this is Priyanka Raina, and I would like to thank BRICTO for the interiors of our house, which really reflects our personality. And a special thanks to Animation Abhishek, who really understood what we really wanted to have, and they took really good care of that while implementing our wishes. And what really impressed me is the VR technology that they use, and the way they really focus on in-depth space planning. It is just highly impressive. And I would like to wish a lot of success to BRICTO for all their future endeavors, and thank you once again for helping us out.